Well, if it's not me again with my difficult and very, very bad decisions. Welcome to another episode of Bad Decisions and Quarantine Things. Today I just cut my hair off because quarantine made me do it. If you want to follow me here, you might need a salon cape or just cut a hole in a plastic garbage bag and slip it over your head. First of all, I recommend you to look up what you're doing before you do it, but that's why you're here, right? So the first thing I'm doing here is using a comb and section out the front, so it creates a triangular section in the center. We are cutting curtain bangs, and therefore we need to break up each individual section from the original triangular section, so you don't lose your guide. The first individual section we cut is the front section. Use a half-opened, half-closed scissor for a texture feel. Bring down the next section, pinch each smaller section and begin cutting with the half-opened, half-closed scissor method. Also, if you think that you don't cut enough hair, just use a straight scissor, like I'm doing here. Cut from top to bottom since we want to create a curved fringe feel. Cut less than you think you need to because you can always take more hair off, but you can't add back, and then you might regret what you've done, and that's not so great. Now we move on to the last section. Take them and cut them a little bit under the chin. Now we repeat with the same procedure. I made a mistake to use the half-open, half-closed scissor, but I recommend you the straight one to cut them hairs all off at once. Yes, we're done with cutting. Now we move on to styling them. That's my favorite part. I used a hair curler and a hair dryer, but it kind of failed and it just looked ugly. That's still funny though. Since it didn't work out completely, I just called it the messy bangs look. This is for when classes are starting in 5 minutes, but you're 10 minutes late. For the second look, I used a hair curler, a heated one, to give myself a Korean fringe look. Well, I kinda messed up, as you can see here, but nonetheless, I could do something about it. This one is also called the see-through bangs, and it's really popular in Korea nowadays, and it gives you the K-drama vibes. I just part the fringes slightly and call the look the wavy curtain bangs. The third these bangs kinda nice, so I included into my looks. This one was actually not planned, but it gives me a nostalgic feeling. Well, let's move on to the last one. Here I tied my hair back to give it a classic night show look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and subscribe for more cool content like this. And see you in the next video.